Hey everybody, it's Pete. Good morning. Today we're going to talk about my favorite topic. Your favorite topic is how to make the stock market make you money. And we talk about this a lot in our community, which is my mission is to make you the reason you make money. It's great to watch YouTube videos. It's great to buy courses, and all of that builds you a great foundation. If you don't have any foundation at all today, I'm going to give you the path that you should look for, whether you enroll in my course or my coaching program, somebody else's coaching program, or you attempt to do it on your own. I'm going to give you the steps that are the absolute positively time-tested way of getting from I'm looking at stocks to buy to reliably making the stock market make you money. Now, there's steps in between that you have to get good at, but isn't it a lot easier to at least know the steps? Because then you're like, okay, I got that one done. Now we move to the next one. Let me move to the next one. So we have a list of maybe 7 things to consider, and they're very simple. And here's the thing that I want to get across to you. The actual part of trading is the easiest part. Everybody puts so much stress on buying and selling and that kind of stuff. But what I'm going to walk you through right now is what happens before you even decide to buy a stock. If you do this part first, which is incredibly, incredibly simple, which is first mindset, second is deciding on risk, and then the third set is your edge. So first you have to think like a champion. Second, you have to understand what it means to put your money in harm's way. So if we want the stock market to make us money, we have to understand that there's risk and there's reward. So we're going to talk about that in a minute as well. Then we're going to talk about why you should put your money in harm's way. And we call that having an edge, or in other words, probabilities of it moving in your favor. And then the last part is we're going to talk about entries and exits. And that's probably the part that most people jump to first, is like, just tell me where to get in. Just tell me where to get out. And that's great. You'll actually be able to mimic somebody like myself, but we don't do things that way. What we try and do is we show you exactly what I'm doing. I tell you why I'm doing what I'm doing. And then we get repetitions in so that you become the reason that you're making money. And there's really no sweeter feeling in the world than having that feeling of conviction that you expect to make money every day. And that's really what you're going to learn in the next, let's say, 7 minutes. All right, so stick around. We'll be right back. I just want to make sure I pop this up on the screen. Okay, so as with everything that we do in these videos, these are for educational purposes only. It's my mission to try and help you understand exactly what you're doing. And if we do that, I'll have a really good day, because I know trading can drive you crazy sometimes. Sometimes the market is exploding. Sometimes the market's going straight down. Today, we're going to give some context to how to really dig in and understand what's going on and how to make trade decisions with absolute conviction. So the next time that you buy a stock, you feel 100% that you're making the right decision. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to work on over. And the first concept that we're going to talk about today is probabilities.